In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your saved drafts on LinkedIn. This is a quick, straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly where your drafts live and how to get back to them when you're ready. You can follow along on an iPhone, an Android device, or your computer. LinkedIn keeps things pretty consistent. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you're on a computer, head to linkedin.com in your browser. On mobile, look to the bottom center of the screen for the post or plus icon. That's the button you use to start a new post. On desktop, you'll see a similar option near the top that says Start a Post. Go ahead and tap or click to open the Post Composer. Now type anything into the post box. Something simple like "Hi" works just fine. We're not actually posting yet, we just need some text so there's something to save. Instead of publishing, close the composer by tapping the X in the top left corner. When LinkedIn asks what you want to do, choose Save. That stores your post as a draft so you can come back to it later. To find and continue editing your draft, open the Post Composer again the same way you did before. On mobile, tap the post or plus button at the bottom center. As soon as the composer opens, you should see your saved draft appear right there, ready to pick up where you left off. Just tap into it to continue writing, add images or links, or make any edits you need, and when you're done, you can either post it or close it again and save it as a draft. A quick heads up about how LinkedIn handles drafts. It only keeps one draft at a time. That means if you start a new draft, it replaces the old one in the same spot where you found it. If you decide you don't need a draft anymore, tap the X again and choose Discard to remove it completely. If you want to keep it, always choose Save when you close the composer. When everything looks good and you're ready to make your post public, just hit Post to publish it to your LinkedIn profile. If you're not ready, saving and coming back later is perfectly fine. The draft will be right where you expect it. I hope this helps you quickly find and manage your LinkedIn drafts. If it did, please subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.